Still thinking that there is nothing to see in Moscow. You get damn wrong. Look at this. It's just freaking amazing. Over here, probably you can hear me better. I hope so. Good morning, world. So my plan for today: explore art object in Moscow made for summer. They're beautiful, and the whole summer I wanted to go there and check them, but I don't know, I didn't do this. So I think right now is the time. Yeah, there is a couple of them I've seen already, but most of them I did not. So if suddenly you are in Moscow, yeah, you probably can go and visit these places. It is absolutely for free. Yeah, and as you know me, I love free stuff. I mean, places where I can go for free. In Moscow right now, it's really beautiful. A lot of spots for freelancers where they can work, especially in summer. So this is a plan for today. Today I decided to wear like just simple stuff, white jeans, basic t-shirt, because I need something comfortable for walk. I'm sorry, you're not going with me. Just chill. Okay? Okay, I'm on the way to the first art object, which is like balloon, I guess, or maybe a refrigerator. I have no idea what is going on over here. It looks like a theater. Anyway, I have a migraine. It is bad, and I forgot my mic. I actually wanted to take it with me, but I forgot. It is a big elephant. This is not an object I was searching for. There was like a bunch of kid stuff, so I don't need this stuff. I'm gonna skip this part and go into another one. This is a second object over here, and this is two. Just like clothes stuff. Since I don't like clothes stuff, I don't go there inside. But yeah, I'm going to the third object on my plan, which is on Tverskaya station. Anyway, see you over there. The way is going to be so goddamn beautiful. There is nothing to see in Moscow. You get damn wrong. Look at this. It's just freaking amazing. The view is good. I mean, like. let's keep moving. I can't find anything, it just seems like our object. Maybe it's already console. I have no idea. Oh yeah, I see, it's a refrigerator, the red one. I guess so. It's other side. We'll see it soon. I'm going to skip it again because I don't want ice cream, and as I know there is ice cream inside of this refrigerator building, so we're gonna check another one. Number 4 on my list is this one. Yeah, we are going to This is the bus, or like our object bus, and it's really interesting. I really wanted to check what is inside of this big bus. Oh no, I have one place more. It's another art object. I guess I can go that way. And that's gonna be the last one after this bus. So let's check the last one, and I think it's raining right now. The last one. I guess there is like candies inside. I don't know, like it's a big candy, so it probably should be chocolate or something. Or is it tea? Something sweet and tasty inside is supposed to be. I don't know. That was the last one. I bought a coffee for my mom. I don't know what is this. It smells good, but I don't know, I didn't try. So I made it. It took me like 2 hours to check all the objects I wanted to. So right now I'm done. I hope you enjoy it, and yeah, Moscow is beautiful. If you're planning to visit Moscow, it's definitely a must-have. Right now, this city is just like freaking amazing. Yeah, and a lot of stuff to do, as you can see, and a lot of beautiful people.